Hi everyone, Liz here, thanks for stopping by. So I've got two parcels today, one little one from AliExpress and one from Amazon. So we'll have a look at the little one first and see what's in that one. Okay, I've opened it up, ready, so we can have a look. Oh, okay. So, right, okay, so this isn't from AliExpress, this is actually from Amazon. But it's come direct from China, so it's taken about 10 days, 2 weeks to come. And it is a Halloween sign. Look at that. So we've got Happy Halloween. We've got a little haunted house here. We've got a couple of pumpkins. That one's a really evil looking one. Ho, ho, ho. And I like this because it's in like purples and oranges. And it's a bit brighter colours than some that you get. I didn't just want like the black and orange. I thought, oh, well, put a spot of colour into it. But this is really strange material. It's like spongy. Okay, just bear with me. Right, apparently it is a product called EVA. And it's like a faux leather type plastic stuff, which is real malleable. And you can bend it quite a bit. So yeah, so that's really good, because I was a bit worried that this might get snapped in the post. You know, it's got an awful lot of small pieces, but yeah, that's it. It does feel like sort of suede leather on the back. So that's a different one. I was expecting it to be like the acrylic, so yeah, that's a bit different, but you know, it's not going to break. It's definitely going to be a lot longer lasting than I expected. Okay, I've got like a boot lace that will just go through your little holes and tie once you've got it done. Got pre-punched holes in it, so that's good. So yeah, I've never heard of EVA before. If you want to look it up on Google, it's quite an interesting read. I can't remember what the EVA actually stands for, but yeah, it's like a form of plastic. Okay, so we've got a plastic cover over the top of all the drills, and you're going to drill all the different letters. It seems quite clear to see. Be quite fun to do this one, just a nice little project, good for drills and chills. Woo! So what have we got in here? We've got a pen, piece of wax and a boat, just basic. Somebody started mowing the lawn again. It's like there's an automatic thing in this craft room that as soon as I start filming, somebody gets the lawnmower out. I'll get a delivery or somebody will come to the door next. Okay, so the drills on this one. Oh look, they are lovely and bright and sparkly. And we have a hot pink. So we've got black, gold, green, orange. That's a good orange. And then look at your pink there. I was thinking it's going to be purple, but that is a hot pink. And then a paler pink. Look at those colours together. Love it. Yay. So this will be a nice, just an hour or so's project, just to sit in front of the telly and do. Let me just get a little bag to put all these together and keep those together in there, and then I will label that up. Just take that out for now, open that up and put that in there. So that's my Happy Halloween. Wasn't what I was expecting. As I said, I did think it was from AliExpress, but now I've opened it, it is from Amazon, and we'll put the link down below. Right, so this package is definitely from Amazon, because we've got Amazon's smiley face on it. Okay. All right, okay. This was a bit of a mystery, this one, because it actually said 2 paintings but only showed one, so I was only expecting 1 painting. And this was one where when I went I looked on the Vipon coupon site, but when I looked on the internet it did actually show that the item was half price anyway, so I would have got it for half price. I think it was around about £3.50. So let's have a look at this one. There's quite a big toolkit popping out the end there that I can see. Okay. Yeah, So let's have a look at this. This is a slightly different toolkit to what you normally get. Definitely one up from a basic toolkit. Right, so we have some grip seal bags. What have we got? 1, 2, about 10 grip seal bags there, and they're quite a largish size, so they're quite good. Have a chunk of it's your pink wax, which isn't the best wax. The red tends to be better. I don't use it a lot, to be honest, but yeah, that's the pink wax. And then one of your little white flat bottomed boats with a spout, so that's handy to have. Pop that in there, pop that in there as well. And then we have 2 pens with single places on one end, and then we've got the good thin place, multi places at that end, and that one says a number 10 on it, and that one's a number 4, I do believe. Let me just double check. Is that one a 4? No, it's a 3. So that one is a number, that's a 3 multi-placer and a 10 multi-placer. So that's quite a good kit, toolkit for a smaller painting. As I say, I like getting the toolkits. I think it's a little extra present to the painting. Okay, we've got a sheet in there as well with all our instructions with our drills. Okay, that's unusual again for a smaller painting, and it is a small painting. Look at this, it's a titch. Okay, it is a 20 by 30. Gosh, that's not looking brilliant there, but I'm sure once we get the colours on, hopefully the shading will look good. That's the little thumbnail there, but yeah, 25 by 30. That's really pretty. I say it's poppies. I thought it's coming up to Armistice Day, the 11th of November, remembering the end of the First World War, so we tend to have a lot of poppies around at that time, so I thought this would be quite nice to have up as a display picture. So we have an awful lot of colours in this as well. Okay, flatten that down a little bit. Let's have a little measure. So that's really big. For something small, you do need a very close-up picture. If you get anything too detailed, you'd completely lose the detail. I'm a little bit iffy about the middles of these flowers, but looks like we do have a few different colours, so we may be okay. So the actual canvas size is 20¼ centimetres, which is just over 8 inches, by 26 centimetres, which is 10 inches. So you're still losing like your 2½ centimetres on each side for your border. But wow, that is a lot of colours. Okay, let's have a look at this. Oh, so an inventory sheet with a small painting is very unusual. Okay, so we've got the white packaging, and we have got DMC numbers, and it looks like we've got 26, 27, 28. We've got 40 colours in this. Never. 40 colours? Just a minute. There is 40 colours on this little painting. Wow. It's either going to be too busy and lose detail, or it's going to look brilliant and have lots of shading and the detail will come out. But goodness me, I never expected that. Heck. Okay, I've not seen one like this before. So let's have a look at quick flick through these 40 colours. Wow. Okay. So it's going to be an awful lot of tones of red and black, and it looks like dark blue. So we've got like a maroony colour and peaches and green. I think we're nearly going to have every red and every green in this. Wow. The DMC codes aren't on the packaging, but they are on the inventory sheet and they are on the canvas. Goodness me, that's just amazing. That has taken my breath away. Okay, and then finally we've got two great big long snakes for this one. More reds and browns and greens. And the oranges again are going to be shading. It's really strange to see where these colours are going to go. I reckon some of them there's only going to be an odd one or two. More greens and browns and fawns and wow. Okay, so let's have a look. It's a little bit blurry. Sorry, I don't know if you can see that. There's a bit of glare there, but that's better. That, oops. Let's get it focused. Yeah, that is a bit blurry on those reds. So hopefully under the magnifying glass I'm going to be able to see that better. But yeah, that's not the best. The M's stand out brilliantly on the black, but it's the symbols on the reds that just aren't doing it for me. And they are very, very small, with it being a very, very small canvas. And this key code is very, very small as well. But I think it's a nice picture, and I will reserve judgment until it's completed, and we will see what we've got then. Okay, so let's just quickly put a label on this one. And we'll put these into a bag. We don't want to lose 40 colours. 40 colours! Can't believe it. 40 colours. So it's poppies. And it's round, isn't it? Are they round? Yeah, they're round. Okay, that's how bad my eyesight is. I can't tell the difference between round and square. The size, I'm going to put it as 25 by 30, albeit it's only 20 by 30, 25, but where's my scissors gone? Where's my scissors gone? Let's find a pair of scissors. I've been tidying and put them away, look now, I can't find them. Okay, these are my labels from Admore Zest, Rebecca for Kids at 147. Check out her YouTube channel and website, you will see these labels. She does sell them. I believe there is still a download available to print them yourself, but I must admit I've not looked for a while because I've downloaded them, and I tend to buy everything now because I'm awful like that. Well, it's alright for Rebecca because I'm buying the stuff, but my bank balance isn't brilliant. But hey ho, she's trays and all sorts and love books. So, put these away in here. That's interesting. It will be an interesting one to see, this one, to see how it turns out. Weird time to see. Oops. Doesn't want, oh, I can't get hold of it. It's because I've been cleaning today and my hands have gone really dry. I can't grip anything. I'll put some hand cream on them. So we have poppies. Oh, I should have put that in there, look, with it as well. Hang on. Quickly open it before it sticks too much. Pop that in there. So it's unusual to get that with a smaller quantity. Okay, so we have poppies and our Halloween sign, and I think that's everything for now. So I hope you've enjoyed seeing these with me. If you have, if you want to just give me a quick like, just press that little thumbs up button, and if you want to see these done and see what I get up to next, if you press subscribe, it's just down there and the bell next to it, you'll be notified when my next videos come out. But thanks for stopping by. Hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.